Hi everybody, it's Chartsky with a pretty rare video of a Friday afternoon session. Today, April 10th, 2015. And the reason we had an afternoon session is because, as you can see there, if you didn't take the gold trades, and not everybody will, you got whipped around. We had 3 break-evens in the Russell and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the S&P with 1 loss to the tick. So we wanted to keep the momentum from this really good week and have an afternoon session. So here are some of the trades as they were called and as they were managed in the live trading room. Okay, we're in the Russell, looking for a fill here in the S&P now. I thought it would get up a little bit higher. All right, there we are. We're in both of them. Afternoon rules in effect here, so but given the poor movement of the Russell, I'm only going for 15 ticks on this trade. We'll go for 2 points in the S&P. That SR level at 94 half's actually been holding price like we talked about, but as soon as it gets under, it should come down to the double level or further. Keeps dinking up. Last of the buyers. It's an old market maker trick here. Push it up and then slam it down. Let's see if that's what they're doing. Yeah, it's an old market maker trick. If you want to go down, you fake everybody out and push it up a little bit, and then as it's kind of drifting up, you jump on board and push down. Same thing in reverse, but that's what it looked like to me they were doing. It should come down pretty good here. Just no volume. I can't stress enough how shockingly low this volume is in the S&P. One of the biggest, most liquid futures contracts in the world. It's just got nobody trading it. It's just unbelievable. And price is dead as a result. We may have to reevaluate if it can't move. I mean, we couldn't. It's 3:15 almost. We got plenty of time for it to come down, but yeah, it was push it up to bring it down, but it's like in slow motion. That Russell hadn't gone but a couple of ticks, so we didn't think it was really going to go far, but I would have thought it'd be 6, 7, 8 ticks down by now. I think this one will do it for us today. Let's go to break even in the S&P and the Russell. Let's see, we're coming into SR levels. I'm going to lock in a point. I want to fill at 92.5 here. We got a double position on. Got to try and get something out of it. Should come right on through 92.5, but yeah, if it hits it and bounces, we'll have a point for sure. Okay, remember we're going to lock in 4 ticks in the S&P on a fill at 92.5 of anybody. I lock in 5 in the Russell. What just got rejected right up. Lock in 10 ticks in the Russell. Alright, we got it in the Russell, 15 ticks on the double position. Now we just got to fool with the S&P. I don't know what's holding it up, really. Okay, remember we're going to lock in 4 ticks on a fill of anybody right now. 4 ticks locked in the S&P. Come on, just a couple of ticks down. Push 2 ticks. All right, we got them both. A good end to a great week. Whoops. All right, that'll do it for us this afternoon. Another really nice afternoon. Tough morning, but we trade what we get. Some super add-on days. We'll see if there's any look at that. The S&P went exactly where we thought it'd go. That's why we got out here, because we thought it'd trade through to the lower level. Went through 15 ticks by just a couple, so we milked those for about all we could get out of them. So we'll see if there's any questions, and if there are, we'll deal with those, and otherwise we're going to be done for the week. Great week. And so there you have it. The upper left corner is the gold chart, and that first scalp made back the loser from this morning in the S&P. And after that, you can see the really good trades in crude oil. A lot of whip in the Russell and the S&P, but we did catch those trades after 3 o'clock that gave us the daily profit target plus. Well, actually, another add-on day. So, add-on days, 4 days out of 5. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important, and I urge you to pause and read it. And if you'd like to join us, or if you want more information, just visit my blog at www.chartsky.com, or you can send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.